So today I'm going to show you how to start to fill out your blank multiplication chart. And you are going to need the blank chart, which is in your materials pouch. You'll need a pencil and red and blue, either colored pencil, crayon, or marker. Okay, so pause and go get those things. All right, so just like before, I want you to trace the outline of the top bar in blue, okay? And remember, you're not coloring it in. And then you're going to start at 2 and trace the sidebar in red. Okay, so pause the video and go ahead and do that. All right, so we are just going to do a section of this at a time. I've found that if kids try to fill it out all at once, they end up getting a lot of numbers wrong, and we don't want our brain to practice the wrong thing. Okay, so watch me first. Today we're only going to fill out this row. Okay, so I am going to put my finger on the 2 and the 2. And in my mind, I'm thinking, what is 2 times 2? Okay, I'm going to slide my finger here and here. And I know that 2 times 2 equals, do you know it? Call it out. Yep, it equals 4. So I'm going to write a 4 nice and neat in that box. Okay. Now, next, I'm going to do 3 times 2. So my first finger goes on the 3. My next finger goes on the 2. And I'm going to go slide down and across where they meet. Okay? And 3 times 2 equals, do you know it? It equals 6. You got it. Okay, so at this point, if you need to pause and catch up, go ahead and do that now, and we'll do the next one together. Okay, next we're going to do 4 times 2. So put your finger, do this with me, put one finger on the 4 and the other on the 2. Okay, slide down and across. And 4 times 2 equals 8. You got it. Okay, now I would like for you to finish this first row on your own. Now when you're done, in your binder you have this complete chart. Now what I do not want you to do is take this and just copy it. Okay, if you do that, all you're doing is practicing writing numbers. You're not practicing your multiplication. Okay, so I hope you don't do that, because that would be a silly waste of your time. But when you are done with this first row, I want you to take out the complete chart, and we call this a control chart, and you're going to check it. Okay, 4, yep. 6, yep. 8, yep. And if you got one wrong, that's okay. We're still learning. You can erase it and fix it. Okay? And then you're going to put these back and keep them in your binder until next time. All right, friends. See you next time.